UMLA Berim ke Salman para Winnerson di Sangma hakasni thoding ula penyeso syakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP hakajingyelang kapalalong ha office jong ka party Winnerson uday ubreu ubaya janbha bad Dr.Mukul Sangma bad uday UMLA Berim ubala job nakaseng kongres bar hausnem arajar arpue ula rung syakaseng Trinamool Kongres hapo kajingyelam Dr.Mukul ya Winnerson la pedang sengobha de kinongelam ke BJP Meghalaya pakentop Presiden Rikman Ji Momin kiamle pakentop ya uba El Hek bat uba Sanbor Sulai bat uba Marehom Kharkrang nalor ke jingedon lang kewe kinongelam ke parti habakren hadin ke jingelang pedang burom Winnerson ula penpau ke jing sengongu ya Dr.Mukul Sangma badi kinongelam ke Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Kongres di belah Kyrshan yau nakapor syakapor ngalarai ban mi na ka TMC Henry Ngam mi na Dr.Mukul Sangma ubala Kyrshan yang Baroh kipor laong Winnerson.
In this party, I would like to express to you all that under the leadership, as the president of the BJP party, under the leadership of this Rikman moment in Baroh Hills, the acceptance of BJP is growing.
Yeah, very good. It's true.
There are people who have expressed their faith and confidence with the party and they're ready to join. Many are ready to join in the party along behind me. So I'm very confident that you will very soon in the ensuing general election to Lok Sabha, you will find that many people are enthusiastic to work for the party to uplift the status of the party, and I believe with people's participation in cooperation, we will be able to expand the popularity of the party in the western sector of the state.
Yes.
Thanks for organizing. Thanks goes to the state president, Honorable Minister El Hek, Mr. Gaganji Bakrao, and the spokesperson of the party, Bakal Krang, and others who have attended this function at a very short notice. I also extend my sincere thanks to all the members of the press representative. My intention of joining this BJP is with an eagerness to serve with commitment and dedicate myself to render service to the people in a with our platform. I have been in politics since 2013, in the active politics. I represented 55 Sabanpara constituency for 10 years from 2013 to 23, but I could not make it in 2023 in the last assembly election to the assembly. But still, I'm active and in circulation in the active politics. I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I'm very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me in this short function. I always will carry forward my commitment and dedication to render service to the people of my constituency and the people of the state, so that I can also contribute for the growth of the nation through this party. I am very grateful to the leaders in the TMC, especially to the National President Mamata ji and Abhishek ji. And in the state, we have been my mentors and leaders, especially to Dr.Mukul Sangma, who led the state for many years as a leader of the state. I'm grateful to them. I decided to leave the party, but I'm not leaving Dr. Mukul Sangma and others. They have been very kind to me, accommodated me in various levels. So I'm still grateful to them. But as of today, in the prevailing political environment in the state, I find that BJP is growing and people have started to accept it. I have joined today as a member of the BJP, and many more are going to come along with me in next few days. Sorry, I cannot put the...
Are you hinting that Dr. Mukul Sangma will be following suit, like following you along?
How many more from the AITC will be joining the BJP?
That you will see the growth of numbers in coming few days.
Particularly Mukul Sangma, the question.
That's his decision. I cannot express to you. That is up to him.
You have the right hand man, so you may be knowing.
It is his decision which will carry him forward to render service to the people. I am very grateful to the leaders in the TMC, especially to the National President Mamata ji and Abhishek ji. And in the state, we have been my mentors and leaders, especially to Dr. Mukul Sangma, who led the state for many years as a leader of the state. I'm grateful to them. I decided to leave the party, but I'm not leaving Dr. Mukul Sangma and others. They have been very kind to me, accommodated me in various levels. So I'm still grateful to them. But as of today, in the prevailing political environment in the state, I find that BJP is growing and people have started to accept it. I have joined today as a member of the BJP, and many more are going to come along with me in next few days.